Hey guys, welcome back to another Clean With Me video. If you guys are new here, welcome. My name is Sadie and I make lifestyle and cleaning videos. So in today's video, I am doing a fall clean and decorate with me, which is a first on this channel. I have yet to make one, so I'm pretty excited about doing it. And yeah, this is actually the night before, so I am just picking up the kitchen before I hop into the next day and start the decorating. So as this was the night before, my kitchen was pretty messy. It was the only area that was really messy. I think the living room was a little like pillows thrown here and there, but it wasn't too bad. I wanted to pick up the kitchen before the following day. I don't really like to full on clean and decorate at the same time. I feel like it's a little bit overwhelming, but that's just me. And yeah, so I decided to do the majority of cleaning in my kitchen the night before. So I'm just gonna go ahead and scrub away and play some music, and yeah. So now I'm gonna wipe down all my surfaces with this acorn spice. I haven't used this since last fall, so it was really nice to smell. But I did have a hiccup with this. My husband was sneezing nonstop, and I was a little bit irritated as well. And we couldn't figure out what it was, and I'm still not sure. But it was after I sprayed this on all of my surfaces in my home. So I had to really thoroughly wipe down my counters to get rid of the scent. So I don't know. I joked with my husband that I was going to spray it again, just to see if it was it. But yeah, I won't be using this in the following the next clips because I feel like it's bad. I don't know. I'm so sad. And on to the decorating. Here is all my fall stuff, you guys. I'm a simple when it comes to decorating the interior of my house. I don't like to be too overwhelmed with seasonal decor. And I also have a lot going on with my permanent decor, so I also didn't want to have an overwhelming amount of accents and decor pieces just everywhere. So in this video, I'm doing more of a light, minimal, like touch of fall here and there. Also, it is just me and my husband. We don't have any family where we live, so I don't really see the point in getting like plate mats and things like that. And I also didn't have that kind of stuff growing up, so it's not really natural, like normal for me to put that on my table. So I mean, no hate against anyone that does that. I'm just saying my personal preference, I like to keep it pretty simple. So these are pumpkins I got from Hobby Lobby last year when they had an 80% off clearance, and I went there recently and I did not see them, sadly, but they have a lot of new cute stuff, you guys. And then I also added some dried oat flowers that I got from Hobby Lobby as well. And that was my centerpiece. Moving on, I got these 8-pack of mini pumpkins from Target. I actually picked up 2 boxes of these because I was going to make a pumpkin garland, which you'll see later on. And because I wanted them to be pretty propped up, I stuck in some towels, and that seemed to work pretty well. I have, since this video, have bought a few other pumpkins, and I've actually bought some yarn and changed the color of these pumpkins because I wanted to stick within the color scheme of my home, which is more like browns, greens, and blues and whites. So I actually did change those little mini pumpkins. So you're not going to see it in this video, but in the following videos you will see my stuff is a little bit different than in this video, but I have explained I am pretty indecisive. So I got this in the bath section at Target. I liked it because it's super simple. It just had 1 pumpkin and I thought that was perfect. I told my husband he has to be super careful with this. And on to the living room. I will link the few little things I show in this video fall decor wise down in the description box, which is something that I always do. So I'm just picking up the living room before I go ahead and decorate this area. Now to add that touch of fall, I picked up this cute botanical leafy throw blanket from Target. It was only $15, you guys, and it is super soft and cozy, and it just fit my decor so well. I also added a little bit more of the dried oats or wheat into this little vase just to add a little touch there as well. And then I gave the surface of my coffee table a wipe down. But yeah, I will link the blanket down below if they still have it, but I love it, you guys. It's super cozy. And then this is where it gets a little bit different. I put these 2 decor pieces, but I actually ended up swapping out the pumpkins, which you'll see later on in the clips. It looks a little bit different because I realized having this pumpkin garland that I made, it was a little too crowded. So I actually took a rope and then I took twine and then glued the pumpkins to the twine. And this is where I'm gonna say in my next video you will see that the color of these pumpkins are different. Because these are orange and browns, it kind of threw off my color scheme of my home, so I did change that. And then for the pumpkins that I put in the living room, I decided to put them over here, and that was pretty much it. It was super simple. I will be doing a front porch decorate with me when it gets a little cooler here in Georgia. It's pretty hot, so I feel it's still too soon to put pumpkins out. Adding my last pumpkin, give thanks. So yeah, this was my fall clean and decorate with me. I love how it came out. I like how it's so simple and minimal, and I just didn't want to be too overwhelmed with decor. I know it's not as extravagant, it's not like bam, bam, all up in your face, but I find it's perfect for me, and I hope you guys still found it enjoyable to watch. And yeah, thank you for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!